There you go, 45 seconds of just me and the poppies before a train arrives. Good morning from South Croydon allotments, Sunday 7th of June 2026. I've just finished my slug and snail patrol, taken a few to their graves, and after the rain, of course they all slithered out. And I'm trying to protect my precious crops. They love the squash family. There's quite a few here. One died there. These are going to be pumpkins, butternut squashes, courgettes, etc. At the back, poking their head through, is a recent sowing of beetroot. Now it's gone cooler, they're germinating fine. Us gardeners never happy. This is going to be spinach. And over here, again, spring onions and carrots. So well happy with that. These are some sunflowers from last year. They can stay there, they're doing no harm. Some more poppies to come out there. Second sowing of peas. I've got a few come through. Not magnificent at all. A few more may poke through, and they're being watered. Potatoes. Irish potatoes from Scotland. Strawberries. Been picking those now a couple of weeks or so, maybe 3 weeks. I've watered this bed, so they produce well. The bed I didn't water, not very much. Again, sweet corn here, just one I can see. I've resown now 2 more. Lettuces, just 2 from this row I've resown. That's rocket. Onions, didn't like the weather very much. So everything's perked up with the rain. So that's parsnips. The spring onions are getting really big now, as are the first carrots and the beetroot. That's a third sowing of radish. They come through so quickly. It's chard. I think I sowed something else in between there, but I can't remember what. A red lettuce. That's the first sowing of rocket, pretty much going to seed now. Leeks. Second sowing of radish. More beetroot. Peas. More leeks. These will be transplanted. They're a little bit bigger. First sowing of lettuce. And my broad beans. Now I'm starting to put flowers on, and there's evidence of black fly as well, so I need to get squashing. This is the second sowing of parsnips. I've just sown the gaps as well. Another little snail there, a slug there. Oh, let's get rid of him. There you go, mate. And at the front we have the wildlife area, which I've transplanted lots of sunflowers that were growing randomly on the plot. So they will grow tall. There's a general view of plot 6. Right across to plot 29. This is plot 29, wildlife area. Again, the bees having a field day with the poppies. I'm sure you can hear them. Amazing. These are the strawberries I transplanted last year, have not done well. It's a failure. So this bed here is the third sown of sweet corn. Only been in for a week, so not showing yet. Hopefully with the weather they'll germinate and come through. These are cucumbers. Those two were transplanted in here. That one, you see it? Yeah. Put seeds in the ground, it's come through. There you are, brilliant. Nature's a wonderful thing. We have a cayenne pepper plant. Again, first sowing of one of the beans didn't come through, so I've sown again. Some more of my friends. Let's pick those up. There we go. Give them a squash. Bear with me a second while I just dispose of those two before they eat any green shoots. That's it, done. An old bed of strawberries I didn't water, so not done very well. Sorry, just squashed another one. Tomatoes, surplus from home. Onions, a little bit healthier on this plot as compared to the other plot. I think these are going to be pumpkins underneath there. Chive's gone to seed, but I think they'll come back. So at some stage I need to take these domes off, let the plants expand. Broad beans, and again I've sown again this one. One sweet corn came through from the first sowing, actually two, one got slugged. So there you go. There's a general view of plot 29 on this Sunday morning. Thanks for watching, more again soon. Bye for now.